Oh, that.
It's like on skull, you know. What are human skull?
Yeah. What's that? So that one? Oh, look like on cow skull.
And then hand it back?
Yes. Thanks.
Welcome. I hope that's too whatever you want.
Yeah, man, this is good. I just want to show you how to pick it up. Alright.
Look at t-shirt in this way heavy. One shirt, one hat.
Welcome on everybody. Now day again for Magnetfishingjamaica. So today I'm there at Spanish Town for the first time in our magnet fishing history or videos. I'm there at Spanish Town and we're there, yeah, so. This is the bridge where I don't even know if I tell you. Oh yeah, this is the bridge where they're close to the hospital. The hospital there over here, so I'm up on the old bridge we used to use. Over there is the main bridge. So people in the water dirty, but people in the water swim same way. As you can see down here, so. Look at them catch something and at the same time enjoy themselves in the dirty water. But oh well, nothing happened to them because they do this regular time. But yeah man, so I get started. So I get started and see what I can find yesterday in the water. Remember, you know, when you can buy a magnet for cheap money. If you're there in Jamaica you want to get started, or if you're there overseas or anywhere at all, you can buy a magnet using the link in the description. I have a discount code. If you use my discount code, you get 10% off. And the magnet are already cheap. And the magnet are already cheap. So you spend less than $100 and you buy a magnet for yourself and get started. Spanish Town. Oh yeah, that's it. Wait, see fish in there. Bomba. A fish that. I call them big too. That's why I'm saying I catch fish. See fish in the water, and I see more than one of them. Yeah, look over there, so. A whole heap over here, so watch it. That's why I'm saying I catch fish. See black something them there, I will fish that.
Oh, I fish them there?
Look at this one. I fish that now, you know see?
Oh, blood.
That's why I see the people in the water. I wonder what am I doing in the water.
The company news say the reason why they come to watch the river from the west. They go and say, I'll catch in the river.
Oh, right, it. Because the one dead, the one dead.
Wash out the river, that's why you see.
They know, Stan. This something all by time. From here start, all by time is something already, you know. Them up which part of, I think at the backside plant.
Backside.
Yeah. Them chemical, release chemical in the water and kill the fish. So I say stay up by top, so I try to get fresh water. Alright, so we're going to start through the magnet right there. On that bridge, this is the main bridge where the car them drive on. And
I think on that bridge there we go.
I'm going to the bridge now, but I start here, so.
Okay.
See him there? I even say I catch us.
Oh, bro.
Catch fish, you know?
But then I
Oh, the man, no? The man, no. All them.
Over there say jackpot there.
Enough of them today, so through them see him. Hey, you catch something over? Yeah, you catch some fish. No.
Oh yeah, welcome people. You don't know, big up to the sponsors. You don't know you have to represent Rogue Magnetics, you see me? Yeah, it's the way to go. Not first through it.
So I'm test how deep it be. Oi, what you doing? I'll slow it down. I get a wide shot. Oh, it almost reached.
Gloves I get hot.
Eh?
Gloves I get hot.
You right now?
The gloves I get hot.
You reach the bottom yet? Alright, so it's in the water now. Reach the bottom yet? Eh?
Yeah, reach it.
Oh, so it's not that deep then. Eh?
I go deeper now.
I go deeper now?
I say yeah.
Bumba! Man said I go deeper. Yo! So imagine that I go part out there, so. Yeah. Eh? No, I can't go on. I can pull up from right there, so.
Pull up right there, sir?
Yeah. We want to throw out, like in the middle of the water, but too much light wire there, so we can't even do that. Yeah, look at we have to go up on the edge. I'm kind of afraid of the edge still in there, but look like over there, so we have to go. Nothing there underneath it. Let me see what they're on the ground.
Oh gosh, it's a
Piece of metal, so that means things are down there.
yeah. I feel like this are from the pipe, though. The broke pipe.
Yeah. Stop.
Treat it for this left.
Yeah. No, underneath it? Nothing.
It's an 8 feet.
I think I get a drag go down there, so.
Alright. Nothing.
Nothing at all. Just look at scrap metal.
Yeah.
Just look at scraps.
415 pipe. I don't know.
And me really hold it up.
Oh, sorry.
I want to throw over this in the water, but too much light wire there, so I can't get to throw it out. So look at where I go underneath the bridge. I bucket.
Oh, what up?
I just go underneath the bridge and then walk up on the side or underneath the bridge and try a thing.
So, the dude that was down here catching some fish and just get like a jackpot with a lot of fish in it. So, I'm trying to get to him right now. General, how will you package? Them in that? How should I put them? Can I see them? But see.
Oh, good fish.
Yeah, fish. I don't know how big one now. Pull it up someone, see? Mad. So you said them the easy to catch? What kind of fish them here though, you know?
Purge.
Purge fish. Alright, sick. Mad.
Don't know see this second string this.
Second string up? Damn.
Looking from morning.
They're from morning people that catch fish. Sick. They're from morning.
Chilling.
I know this is the bridge road, it depends on the Magnetfishing. Now it's supposed to depend on him way already I come down. But sick. But enough of that stuff.
Alright, so we're underneath the bridge now. So the bridge over there, sir. We're underneath the bridge now. We'll show the magnet from here, sir, because when I do up there, sir, it's hard for to show it. And we could have only show it on one side because the side here have some metal, have some iron railing I go across. And them push out really far, so we couldn't show the magnet from here, sir. From that side here, I say. I have to show it from the next side, and the next side have a whole heap of light wire. So we're going to show from the side here and just get started. Hopefully we'll find something. We must can find something here, sir. That bridge is a Spanish stone bridge. The famous Spanish stone bridge. Alright. First show of the second location. Tell me how the ground feel.
Yeah. I think it's stuck in on. I feel like it's okay. It feels.
How the ground feel? Feel soft, feel rough?
Yeah, it feels kind of in between.
Oh, soft enough?
Yeah.
Ground clean, surprisingly. I have to try a little bit more, so I go right to Sancho. Be a magnetic, be a fine things brushed off. Get tricked. You get tricked, huh? And the dirt I trick my youth, it's sinking in the dirt.
Yeah, no, see me? Look everywhere.
No, sir. So next one over there, so that rubbish.
Which one?
See me head push up right there, sir. No, sir, them are going to relax, man, till the water clean out. Right now.
What one here? Look.
Yeah.
Take him up now, man.
No, sir, we don't take up that.
Take him up now, you.
No, take up that. You take him up.
So you talk about rubbish and me. Rubbish. And strategy. That is it.
You don't just feel soft.
Yeah. Nothing.
Not at all.
So like I will that river you get a truck go over just a while ago.
Yeah.
We want some fresh air, man.
Yeah, we must say they can breathe air now. Because we must say when them you ever put them in a tank yet? When you put them in a tank, them can come out and walk on the ground, they can go for a good amount of time.
Before them
dead. I will put them go in the water. Nothing.
Okay.
We can try some of this, that's a too lame.
Alright. Nothing.
Yo, this feel like something they panic, man.
But finally, from there, finally. Wait, how that?
What that?
How that that?
Yo, it look like one skull.
What? What's color look on that? How would I to this? What's color look on? No man, no, what that? Teed.
Look how my magnet stuck to. Well, the magnet never stick to it, but the wire, the rope, wrap on it look a bit, so it pull it up. This in the water, yes sir.
Jaja.
Yo, this massive, you know?
Yeah. A cow skeleton. So, this side say, I know we'll not find the right spot your side. So who them call?
Claud.
Alright.
Yeah, I'll find nothing else still, because everything feel way, so.
Can't give up faith. See that word that chung, you know?
Over there, so okay, we should even go over there to the boat.
Yeah, right up on the edge also.
Alright.
Wait, what that?
What?
Oh, like it stuck on something dog. Bomba, you have something now?
Listen.
Bomba, you have something dog! Ah!
Wait, what is that? The famous?
Yo, murder weapon.
Yes.
Charge it. Murder weapon. Found.
Spanish Town.
Spanish Town Bridge. I said that I can't lose faith, you know.
Once a day, so, and you find that, and then nothing else, you know.
Yo.
Nobody now come show them kitchen knife. You know,
Charge
you
it.
know.
Murder weapon.
Murder weapon.
Show them it.
Murder, murder. Hold on there.
The baby was there, so, you know. But them come over a little more.
Hold on there.
You say if something?
Yeah, I can have something for you, you know.
Alright. Alright. Good news, good news.
Yeah, I can have something.
Moment of truth. Jano, yo. I'll be a dirty mud.
Yo, yo, the thing feel real, you know? Yo, it feels like something deep on it a while ago.
Jaja.
Wash it off. Swear it's something deep on it a while ago. I swear it's something deep on it a while ago.
Jano star. Come and say, it's a wait till we end the video, it just pop up, but Jano, nothing.
Yeah, man, so make sure that's all up for the video. Make sure you like the video.
Subscribe.
And subscribe for more. Because which part we go next? We'll go back at Flat Bridge, go dive off in the water. Yeah.
I'm gonna do that. And make sure to share and comment to remember commenting is important. So comment, make we know the new spots, them are the spots on the thing where I have stuff, and we'll just be there, you see me? Don't know when, but we'll be there. So thank you for watching once more, everybody. Happy Magnet Fishing Jamaica Day. And see you all in another one. Yeah. Big up to the sponsors once more. Peace. All right.